Hello. So, for right now on our site, guest users cannot see. So you see here, so non-logged in user or guest user cannot see map pricing anywhere or any kind of price. So what we need to do is to pull out on the listing page map pricing. So map, you'll pull out pricing and you'll show the pricing below the SKU. And the pages on which we need to pull out map pricing are listing pages. So this is coffee tables category, so products category PHTML. On products category PHTML, actually on the new PHTML which you are going to create, pull out the map pricing below the SKU here and all other places. Also on collection listing pages. So for the collection listing pages, right now we are using Prolance PHTML. You're going to create a new collection, a new PHTML with name collection, and on collection PHTML pull out map pricing here. Also we need to pull out map pricing on the listing on the search result page. And let me check where are we displaying the price on search result. So the price is going on the search result page. Price should be displayed below stock availability attributes, so below these values. So above ribbons, you can display here between quick ship and into to 6 weeks. There you gotta display the search result page. You see where it's showing up for logged in user. So after we add that on the listing page, we are going to add also on the detail page, then on the wishlist page, projects pages, etc., etc. So this task right now is related only with listing pages. So you'll add map pricing for a start on new PHTML which you are going to make. And let's go back to the front end. And after that, we are going to add map pricing on the detail page, wish list. So we have a guest wish list and we have a logged in wish list. So for the guest wish list, we need to display pricing somewhere, and the pricing will go. Let me check on which project has. So on the wish list, pricing will go. We are going to have map price. It will not be a price column, it will be map price. So guest users will see here map price column, and there we are going to display map pricing. So for a start, on 2 new PHTML files which you are going to create, pull out map pricing, and on search result page add map pricing, and after that I'm gonna ask you to add map pricing on the detail page and guest wish list. So those are the pages where we need to display map pricing. Right now, if you review items on admin side, and this is the fastest way how you can review all the items on admin side, we have this grid customization. We installed this free extension, and I use that extension a lot. So I'm gonna add a column here, or maybe I can use hide alert, not that. I'm gonna use map. Let's see, it's easier. Where is the map pricing? Actually I cannot do that. Anyway, on products, I didn't set map pricing yet, so I need to apply use display actual price before so I need to display first to work on my pricing. I still don't know how that works correctly, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set map pricing on all products, and then you are going to work on display of pricing. So this is not yet set fully. I'll need a couple of days to determine how this should work actually, and we are going to pull out and display map pricing. Probably that will be just a MSRP price, not map, but I'm not sure how this works, but I'm gonna investigate this, and I'm gonna set on one or two products map pricing, and then you are going to use and pull out the map pricing. So either I'm gonna add additional since consumers cannot order items. Either I'm gonna add additional field, additional price, which I'm gonna create and which I'm gonna name map and like map pricing, or I'm gonna use what Magento has built in, apply map, display actual price, and manufacturer suggested retail price will be the attribute which you need to pull out. So I'm gonna investigate which attribute should I use for this. Should I create a new attribute or should I use this? And depending on that, I'm going to update you. Before you start work on this, you contact me and I'm going to inform you how are we going to do this. So that's it for this ticket.